Hey, good evening. Chuck here with Apple Drains. I just got back to the shop. Not only did I try to go live, but we did several other emergency installs similar to this. But unfortunately, we tried to go live and the hurricane just didn't cooperate, which, is actually a good thing because we really don't want the hurricane. We don't want the wind. We don't want the rain. It's something that we don't really need. But tomorrow morning at 8 a.m., between 8 and 9 a.m., we're going to try to go live again. And as I look at the forecast, it should be really raining and very windy tomorrow morning. I really want to show you how well the Zoller M98 works. This is a sump pump that we install every day. And we're also going to try another sump pump and have a competition between the two, kind of compare them. So in this little clip, what you're seeing is digging the hole for the temporary basin. I've got a temporary sump pump set up so I can dig because it's flooding as we dig. And we also have to be very careful because there's a lot of utilities right here. So we're going to try to go live again tomorrow morning, sometime between 8 and 9 a.m. If you haven't subscribed and clicked that notification button, please do so and share this with your friends. This should be a lot of fun and very entertaining, especially during the rain. We're talking about 20 inches of rain and wind gusts well over 70 and 80 miles an hour in Orlando.
So again, check with us tomorrow morning. I'll post another video. I'm going to get out of this little light rain because it's not doing nothing but getting me wet.